Overall, obviously, are very, very narrowed down at this point, which is great. Okay, which means we have a lot of dry powder to work with if we find the opportunity. So now that the holiday weekend is behind us, I don't expect there to be much of a lull. Okay, but it is summer trade. I just want everybody to be aware of that. It is summer trade, and especially until earnings start to kick up again, which will be in a few weeks, there may be this little bit of a lull in the marketplace. But that's okay. We are ready to take advantage of anything that is going to be thrown at us. And I love having dry powder. Love having dry powder. Regina, welcome, welcome. Glad to have you in with us today, and please feel free to jump into the fire and jump into the mix here. Find out what is going on, what we are doing.